Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 2 science class today. So this chapter seasons and clothing which we already started, and we discussed about summer and rainy season in your previous class. So today we will start and we will discuss on winter, and you know that winter season is now remains because this time is winter season, right? And you can relate every line in your book with this atmosphere. Okay, so let's see the page number 48 in your book. That is, we have winter from December to February. So winter, this season is held from December to February. Now in this January, and it's too much cold. You can feel it's too much cold, right? So December, January, February, that three times this winter, that time is very cold. But we can feel the winter is coming from November, mid of November, right? That time we can feel. From the Kali Puja also we can feel that. And after the Saraswati Puja, after February, in the March, the mid of March also, we can feel this winter, and that's we can as the winter is the end, that time winter is ending, so we can enjoy this atmosphere because that times not too much cold, not too much hot. So we can enjoy this time. So when winter is coming and when winter is going, this time. But the middle of that time, that's December, January and February, these 3 months winter is held, and now is your winter season. And you know, in this season the days are short. In the daytime, if you noticed every day, the daytime is short because the sun rises at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. like that, but here the sun sets in that time is just 5 p.m. near about 5 p.m. So time is short, and of the daytime is short, but the night time is long. So day is short and night is long in this winter season. So we can notice every day, okay, at the timing of sunrise and suns when they go to east, sets. Next is the cold winds blow during these months. Today very cold wind is blowing. If you go to your roof and the outside of your room, you can feel that there is too much cold wind is blowing from the dawn or from the morning, early morning. Now a time also, and we wear woolen clothes. As you know, you all are now wearing woolen clothes now also, right? Am I right? So now in this season we wear woolen clothes, and we use the sweater, muffler, caps, socks, gloves. So those all are used in woolen. They are made by woolen, and you these things already know that in winter season we wear woolen clothes to keep us warm, because wool keep us warm. And you know, we get wool from sheep. So we enjoy that time in this time winter season. We enjoy to take hot drinks like tea, like coffee, hot soup and others hot food also. And as the outside is very cold, so we enjoy this hot food or hot drinks. So some people use the heaters and light the fire. May you all know about the bonfire. So that is in the winter season we do it when we go outside or inside of the home, not inside of the home, inside of our house, in the garden. If there is a place, free place, so there also we can light the fire. That's we call the bonfire also. So we do it to keep ourselves warm, So we use heaters, we use the fire, bonfire to keep ourselves warm. So that is about the winter. You can relate nowadays with your book, and which I told it that in the winter season, now this is the winter season that is held from December to February. Okay, this time is too much cold now. Now the cold wind is blowing. You can relate today also. There is too much cold outside of the room, outside of the house. If we go to the rooftop, that you can feel the cold wind is blowing now. And we wear the woolen clothes, woolen sweaters, woolen socks, woolen muffler, woolen cap, woolen gloves, woolen socks to keep ourselves warm, And we like to take the hot drink like tea, like coffee, like hot soup and other hot foods also. And we use the heater and we light the fire to keep ourselves warm. Okay, so that is about winter. Read this winter season very attentively and enjoy this winter also. Okay everyone, have a nice day and bye.